Man, I am so bored. What should I do? I know. I am going to feed the animals too much food. Oh shoot. My animals are dead.
I am back from the shops. Wait a minute. Why are the chickens dead?
I fed the chickens too much food.
What? Evil Sky, how dare you feed my chickens too much food and make them dead? You know you need to feed a little bit of food. That's it. You are kicked out of my farm. Now go home.
Evil Sky, how dare you feed the chickens too much food and make them dead? That's it. You are grounded for life. Go to your room now.